just knows just that. And then it goes in here. It goes like that. There. That's in. That's
This way.
oh, I see a problem already.
What?
Alright, let's do this. Alright, put it in there. There it is in the hole. Okay, push it in. Yeah, we gotta put some more. And then you still gotta put this piece on it. So yeah. Alright, let me compress it some more. Yeah, it's getting tight. Yeah, it's getting tight, yep. It's in there, it's in the groove, yeah, it's already, yep. But it's fine, it's just do one more half, quarter, something like that. That way you know it's in there good. Yeah, see now it's turning that, so don't, you see, you turned that. That's good, it's tight. This is the right way of doing it. This is how it's set up. I just got to turn this a little bit this way, which I already did. Now I'm tightening this back up. Make sure that's already all the way in from here. And from this point also, make sure it's there. All right. That's how this is.